What's the meaning of arbitration? Arbitration. Arbitration.
Arbitration. Arbitration. Arbitration refers to the process of resolving disputes between two or more parties through a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, rather than through the legal system. The decision made by the arbitrator is binding and final, and cannot be appealed in court. The goal of arbitration is to reach a fair and impartial resolution that satisfies both parties, without incurring the time and expense of a formal trial. Overall, arbitration provides a private and efficient alternative to litigation for resolving disputes.